And we're back to learning CSS. Let me show you how you can create rounded corners. I've got this simple example right here. It's a div container. So let me get rid of the text. You can see that I've used an ID selector, example1, to select it. And then I've just given it a width, height, and a background color. And if I add the border minus radius property, I can adjust these rounded corners. By using a single value, you'll adjust all corners at once. But let me add a little bit of a margin here. That way it's more centered. When you use two values, you're adjusting two different diagonals, you could say. First value would be top left, bottom right. Second value would be top right, bottom left. And you can obviously target all of these corners individually by using 4 values. And yet again, it goes clockwise, starts at the top left. So we have 25, then 1, then 10, and finally at the bottom left, 100 pixels for the border radius. Same works for images. Let us check our project folder again. I've got the IMG folder, 2 images inside of there. Let me check maybe the sensor.png. But I believe it was, it had a transparent background, so we can't see that properly here. Let me use the other one. It was a JPEG, and I've called it example, so we need example.jpg. It's a little bit big. Let me go down to width. I make that 50, add a little bit of a margin. And now if I use the border radius, you can see this also works on images. So just a single property, border minus radius, and you're good to go to creating these rounded corners. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.